Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Park the CT200h on level ground and engage park with the parking brake set. Wear safety glasses and insulated gloves. Open the hood and locate the 12V battery under the front cowl. Confirm it is a 12V Group 35 or about 45Ah replacement. Before any removal, use a memory saver or write down radio and navigation codes. Prepare a 10mm socket, 8mm wrench, terminal puller, and a torque wrench set to 6 to 8 Nm for clamps. Remove any plastic battery cover using a Phillips screwdriver and set aside. Loosen the negative terminal nut with a 10mm socket and carefully twist and lift the cable off. Tuck it away to avoid contact. Next, loosen the positive terminal and remove its cable. Unbolt the battery hold-down clamp with a 10mm or 12mm socket. Lift the clamp out, and use both hands to lift the battery straight up. Batteries weigh about 10 to 15 kg. Keep it upright to prevent acid spills. Set the new 12V battery into the tray with the same terminal orientation and secure the hold down. Tighten bolts to factory torque and avoid overclamping. Reattach the positive terminal first, then the negative, tightening terminal nuts to about 6 to 8 Nm. Use a terminal protector spray to reduce corrosion. Start the vehicle to confirm the hybrid ready light illuminates and no CEL or accessory warnings appear. Reset clock, power windows, and reprogram radio presets or navigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.